What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a portfolio website and add your digital products on your portfolio website. Now, why do I suggest you do this? This is actually going to help your website or help you have visibility on the web, right? So a portfolio website is a kind of website that everybody should have. If you're online, you're trying to make money online, you're trying to get presence online, and you're trying to also make money online, then you need to have a portfolio website. And after creating your portfolio website, you need to also add your digital product onto your portfolio website. So what you have on the screen is a portfolio website I actually built using Google Sites. This is done for free, and then you can then add your digital product under it like this. So if you're interested, watch the video today and let me show you exactly how to set up something like this. So first of all, what I did, I'm going to go back. So what I did was to go to sites.google.com. So go to sites.google.com. Once you're at here outside google.com, make sure you're signed into your account. Then once you're signed in, then you come over here. You're going to find so many templates by Google Sites. So what you see here right now is templates that Google Site actually gave. If I expand it now, you see that there are so many templates that you can use. So we're going to use this one called portfolio templates, right? This is the one I use. So in this case, I just clicked on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to that particular template, so which is something like this, right? I'm going to show you exactly how I set up everything. So once you click on it, you're going to have something like this. Then once you have something like this, it's simple. Then you're going to use this. So once you have this right now, all you just need to do right now is to enter all the information that you need. So why am I even recommending that you have a portfolio website with your digital products on it? That is actually going to help you, especially if your digital products are services, right? So if you are like a web designer, a graphic designer, or a videographer, sorry, then you are going to, that is actually going to increase your chance of getting jobs. Okay, and not even only that, if you also have digital products to sell, like courses, ebooks, softwares, you can actually sell that on your own portfolio website, and that's actually going to also help your visibility, right? It's going to rank on Google if you do the SEO very well. People are going to, you can actually give people a link to go check out what you can do, and right from checking out what you can do, they can actually see products that they are interested in and they are going to buy. That's actually going to also help you market your digital products. So that is exactly why I'm telling you to go set up a portfolio website for yourself and add your digital products on it. So first of all, now let's set up this header section, right? What I did was to select a color. So it's simple. If you click on this I think, okay, how did I set it up? Okay, if you click on this stuff, you're going to see this anchor image, right? You can position the anchor image to wherever you want to position it, right? So if you want it to be at the top or at the center or anyhow, you just work with that. So what I did was just to use the color, which color. Then first of all, if you want to add this, you can add your logo here, or you add a text. So in my own case, I didn't have a logo, so I just added this text here. But if you have a logo, just click on this add logo and then upload your logo. Very simple. And if you want to also add header, you can actually, this is how I added my own header. I just selected an image from here. Then instead of clicking on instead of selecting a random image, I just searched for I just came here to Google image search, and then I searched for blue. So I think blue or something like that. Then we have the colors come up. I just selected one of the colors. This is the one I selected. So after we have set up this header now, then we need to do some other section, right? So this is exactly how I set the header. So after we've done all this part, then we'll continue. So in this image section, you're going to upload the image that is relevant to your particular portfolio. So depending on the kind of person, so you can input your picture here, and then you enter your skill here, or whatever thing you want to enter here as the header. So in my case, I just entered a text and then just passionately explained what I do, then included the contact button. So this whole this whole template already, we already used this in the beginning of the video. So once you click on that template, you're going to have this template that you can enter all of this info. Very simple. So I don't want to dwell on this section because it's very simple. So right here, services, we enter the services that we do. So in my case, I entered web design, graphics, and videography. Now whichever services you offer, you enter it here. Then where do you enter your digital products? This is exactly where you now enter it. So this is my case. I just entered selected work. So in your own case, you can just enter, you can just say our product, something like our product actually works perfectly. Now, one good reason why you need to include your digital products on your portfolio website is because when people come to your portfolio website, they are going to see your digital products, and then those digital products are what you're going to sell. So you want to enter your digital products right here. So entering your digital products is going to give you that liberty to actually present your digital product, especially when you are going to be promoting your portfolio website. And like I said, everybody needs to have a portfolio website, right? So right here now, after we've entered all our digital products, now remember your digital products could be one product or two products or three, whichever, how many, no matter the number, right? You can just sample the first three, then create a special page, and then come over here and then use this section to add all of them. So what do I mean is, you can actually add the first three on the home page here, and then we add a button. So let me show you. You add a button like this, and then call it view more. This is how it's done, right? So you just add a button and add a view more. Then you are going to create a page, right? So let's say this is the page I just created for my products, for my digital products, and then the button will be here. So all you just need to do now is to drag this button to, you're going to drag this button. So I'm going to drag this button to this section. So what that does is, for instance, I'm just going to increase this button section. So right here now, whenever they click on view more, it's going to take them to the page. So we're going to create a page, right, where we're going to be putting all our products. So that is, for instance, I'm going to create a page. I will come over to these pages, and then I'll click on add a page, and I'll call it product, right? I'll just call it products and click done. So right now, all our products will be on this page, and then we can actually go ahead and add as many products as we want. So I can go ahead to start adding as many products as we want right here. So that is exactly how you set this thing up. So right now, I'm going to go back to our page and continue. So now we have created a portfolio website with our digital products on it, right? I've walked you through exactly how to set this thing up from the very first step to the last very step. It's actually very simple to set up. So now that you have created it, then what do you need to do? The next thing you need to do is to connect a custom domain name to it. What do I mean? Go to the website like this, like Namecheap, or click on the link I have in the description box below, where I recommend where I have an affiliate link that will bring you here to buy a domain name, right? So you're going to buy a domain name, a .com domain name like this. So once you buy a .com domain name, whichever the name is, once they give you the name, you come over to this Google site and link it. Now if you don't know exactly how to link a custom domain to your Google site, I have made a video on it, so check on my channel, you see the video, or you can comment and I'm going to drop a link to the video for you. So just connect a custom domain name to your portfolio website they have created with Google site that has your digital products on it. That way you can actually send it to people or give it to anybody that is interested in to know exactly what you do. And this is actually going to help your web presence, and you can now go ahead to promote this on your social media or promote this on other platforms like Quora and so many other ones. So I just wanted to let you know that you can actually create a portfolio website like this for free, and then add your digital products on it, and promote it and start making sales for yourself. Then you can also sell with your PayPal. Don't forget exactly how to actually add a digital product. So add your digital product, just add the product, then add the payment link. If you want to use PayPal or whichever payment gateway you want to use, you just used to just add it like that. I have also made a separate video where I showed you how to add how to add a digital product to your Google site, or how to sell digital products to your Google site. You can check out my video. Let me show you the video. Right, if you come over to my channel, let me show you the video real quick. So if you come over to the channel, you're going to find the video. Let me just quickly show you the video on how you can actually do that, how you can add your digital product, how you can actually sell it to Google site. So this is the video. My internet is quite slow today, so it's still loading. Let me just quickly, I want to quickly show you the video. So this is the video, right? So on this video, if you watch this video completely, you know exactly how to add your Google site, or how to add your digital product, how to sell it with Google site and PayPal. So as you can see, I already made the video, so go check out the video, and you're going to learn exactly how to do that. So I believe this one was helpful. If you understand anything, tell me in the comment section. If you don't understand anything, also tell me in the comment section, and I'm going to actually explain and walk you guys through. So go ahead, set up a portfolio website, add a digital product on it, add everything you need to add to start making sales, and start promoting your brand online using your portfolio website that you've created with Google Sites. So I believe it was helpful. Tell me in the comments if there's anything I'm omitted, or if you don't understand anything. I'll see you guys on the next one.